Hey everyone, welcome back to iOS Hacker. Today I will show you how to enable and use the zoom feature on your Apple Watch. This accessibility tool is super handy if you want to see small text or details more clearly. Let's dive in. To turn on zoom right from your Apple Watch, here's what you need to do. On your watch, press the digital crown to access the home screen. Here, find and tap on the Settings app icon. Next, go to Accessibility and tap on Zoom. Here, toggle the switch on. You can also adjust the maximum zoom level here. Test out different options to see which zoom level works for you the best. Now that zoom is enabled, here's how to use it. Double tap with two fingers on your Apple Watch screen to zoom in or zoom out. Once zoomed in, drag with two fingers to move around the screen. In order to adjust the zoom level, while zoomed in, double tap with two fingers and hold. Then slide your finger up or down. Now that you have enabled this feature, here are a few things that you should keep in mind. Try zooming in only when needed, since it can make navigating a bit slower. If you get stuck zoomed in, just double tap with two fingers to return to normal view. Practice moving around slowly so you don't miss tapping on the right spots. And that's it. Now you know how to enable and use the zoom feature on your Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Apple Watch tips. And drop a comment below if you use zoom regularly on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.